Unpopular opinion. You do not need to pay for Zoom, Slack, or Calendly. Yes, they work, and yes, many people use them, but you don't need to log into 4 apps just to start a meeting. Stick around to find out how you can reduce your monthly expenses and tech stack all at once. Hello, I'm Amy from Clutter. I help small business owners reduce their mental load and tech stack all at once by replacing expensive workarounds with Google Workspace workflows instead. Stick around because later I'll show you the one hidden feature in Google Calendar that finally makes Calendly obsolete for small business owners. Most business owners pay for Google Workspace, but only use it for email. They don't realize that they already own a full productivity suite. Today, I'm showing you 3 apps that are included in your Google Workspace subscription so that you can stop paying for other tools you don't need. Number 1, Zoom versus Meet. People think that Zoom is the only professional option, but Google Meet has all the bells and whistles and is already integrated into your Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. In Google Meet, you can have blurred backgrounds, touch-up filters, screen sharing, annotating, and multiple hosts. My favorite feature is that Meet recordings save directly to your Google Drive, and Gemini will transcribe, summarize, and list the next steps and action items in a Google Doc automatically for you. Why pay for Zoom when you already have Google Meet? Slack versus Google Chat. Many teams use Slack simply because they don't know that Google Chat even exists. In Google Chat, you can have DMs and spaces for group chats. You can send audio or video messages, start calls instantly, and, my favorite, assign Google tasks directly within a chat space. Keep communication inside your ecosystem with Google Chat and stop worrying about messy integrations with other software. Calendly versus Google Booking Pages. Have you noticed that 30-minute call option in your Google Calendar? That's an appointment schedule. In Google Business Standard, you get unlimited appointment types or lengths. You can have paid appointments via Stripe, and you can send links or embed the booking pages on your website. It is scheduling software built into your Google account that kills the need for a separate paid scheduling app. Transitioning to these built-in Google apps isn't just about cleaning up your profit margins. By ditching Zoom, Slack, and Calendly, you're eliminating 3 monthly bills and reducing your tech stack, logins, and passwords, proving that your Google Workspace is a streamlined ecosystem that gives you the mental space to focus on your clients instead of your tech. When you're ready to streamline your systems to save money and reduce headaches, complete our Safe or Spaghetti self-audit below. Then schedule a clarity call with me to discuss how we can simplify your workflow. I look forward to helping you succeed.